Hello little artist. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. Hello kids. At first, we took a black marker. Then, we draw some straight line. Here, we draw parallel line. Next, we tried to draw a square using 4 straight lines. Here, our square is now completed. Then, we draw a line to the corner of the square. This is the roof of the house. Here, we start to draw the wall. Now, we draw 3 straight lines and join it with a big line. It's time to draw the door of the house. Basically, the door is a rectangle. Now, we draw the window. Here, we draw a small square. This is the chimney of the house. Now, the time to color. We use red color to color the roof, the top of the house. Red color. This is yellow color. We color the wall of the house with yellow color. Yellow color. In another side, we use green color to color the wall. Green color. Green color. Pink color. Blue color. Yellow color. Purple color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like.